Hey, I got a gift today from Rick. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is really sweet. It's an Echo Show 8. And I was looking at the commercials for this and I thought, boy, this would really be nice to have around here because we would have so many uses for this. And I had especially one in mind. But let me tell you about this. As I unbox it, I thought you'll get to see the steps and the newness of it along with me if I open it with you here today. So it's an Echo Show 8, 8-inch high-def smart display plus Alexa. Let's check it out. On the side, I'm going to give you all the details here. It says 8-inch high-def screen, camera with built-in shutter, stereo speakers, 3.5 millimeter line out, Bluetooth, far field voice control, microphone and camera on or off button. Okay, those are the highlights. Over here, it says see more of what you want. Alexa can show you things. There's more entertainment in more places and hands-free video calling and messaging. We'll get into the details as we open it up, I'm sure. All right, Alexa is happy to help. Echo connects you to Alexa. She makes life easier. Oh.
The other Alexa.
The other Alexas answered me there.
We're going to change the name to one of them. You can change names too.
Yeah, we can name this one something.
Echo.
She's paying attention to us though. She makes life easier by letting you voice control your world. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, Rick, can you pass me a knife?
I think that just pulls across with her.
Oh.
There's easy opening tape there.
Oh, I see. There's
arrows.
tape here to keep it safe and secure, and then we have to rip it off.
See that?
Alright.
Open it up.
Oh, isn't it fun to unbox something new, especially something you never tried before?
They come in 2 colors too.
Oh, what color did we get? Oh.
Sandstone.
Wow, it's nicely packaged.
Yeah.
I never saw quite that set up before. Sandstone, that
Pretty
is
heavy
nice.
too, huh?
Yeah, it is heavy. Wow.
Nice.
What a beautiful size screen.
You can even watch movies in the bedroom, huh?
Yeah, we can
Or in
watch
the car.
movies. Also, oh, there's so many things you can do with this. All right, I'm gonna have to take this nice protective screen cover off. Boy, they really have a nice packaging setup. Oh, it feels like tapestry. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Okay, we have, hopefully, hello. That must be a quick startup guide. Getting to know your Echo 8. Do I have everything out? Yes. I mean, this is a nice storage box if we need to ever put it away, but yeah, pretty simple. All right, let me tell you step by step how to get this set up. Getting to know your Echo Show 8. Here's some buttons. This is the volume down button. This is the volume up button. This is camera cover off and on. And up here is the camera. So right near that, ooh, let me show you. It gives you on and off. Nice. Right here you see 2 little holes, and those are the microphone openings. They are tiny. And this button here, with the line through it, is called the mic or camera on and off. Alright, so the texture on here is really neat. It's like a tapestry. It feels like very fancy, very nice. Okay, first thing you're going to do, plug in your Echo 8 into an outlet using the included power adapter. In about 1 minute, the display will turn on and Alexa will greet you. Okay, here's the power adapter. Okay, here's the power adapter, which was so nicely wrapped up here. And it has a band around it. And we're going to plug this in back here on the back. I'll show you a real quick place where you plug it in. This is 3.5 audio output. Rick was kind enough to give me an extension here where I'm sitting.
Oh, I hear sound.
Do you hear?
Here it comes. Look. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, ooh.
Oh.
See the line across the bottom?
Yep.
It's almost done. Okay, I registered my account and we'll continue. It's fetching my time zone. Okay, North America, Eastern Daylight Time. That was easy. It's just verifying our address here. And which room is your Echo 8 in? Living room, bedroom, kitchen, you just choose where you want that to be. Give this device a name to play music, call, or drop in on just this device. Kathy's Echo.
Thought I heard an echo in here.
You heard an
What do
echo.
you got now? The
Now I get
desktop?
to choose the wallpaper.
No.
Your wallpaper will periodically change images within the category you select. To use personal photos from an Amazon Photos or Facebook account as your wallpaper, then you go to Settings, Photos, and Alexa app. For now, we're going to use, well, we got choices here: nature, art, travel, and illustration. What strikes me today is nature. Continue. Okay, get the most out of your Echo Show. Start your 30-day free trial for Amazon Music. No thanks. We can do this stuff later if we don't want to take all your time. Okay, listen to audiobooks, podcasts, and more with Audible. As a Prime member, receive 2 credits with an Audible Premium plus free trial. For now, I'll say no thanks. I could turn it down, I guess.
This device is ready.
Turning it down.
Hi, I'm Alexa. Let's get you started with 4
Let's
things
talk
to
it
try.
to the other one.
You can say stop at any time. To talk to me, say my name and ask me something. Try, Alexa, what's the weather?
Alexa, what's the weather?
Right now
In Easton, it's 70 degrees Fahrenheit
If you
with cloudy
see-
skies.
If you can,
Tonight's forecast has clouds.
we
For
got
the
2 of them
headlines,
going here.
Try
All right.
saying,
By the
Alexa,
way,
play
you
news
can
from
also ask me
Reuters.
questions about sunrise and sunset times. Try asking, what time is sunset?
Okay, I'm not going to go through all the steps of setting this up here because we also have another Echo nearby and we need to give them directions separately. But there's a nice little quick start guide here for you, and as you set it up, it gives you some really good things that you can do to get started and get familiar with it. Like, ask it about watching TV shows and ask it about your favorite music and books and newscasts and podcasts. I wanted to have this Echo because I wanted to use the Food Network app and have it on the screen. So one way to get that is go to the apps and find the Food Network app. With this purchase, we got a free year subscription to that. So that'll be really fun to explore. I'm sure they're all different, but that's what this one had, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to go forward and try to find that and get that going tonight. I wanted to show you what was in the box and a little bit about how it works. I'd like to show you some more, but I have to really go through the directions and set things up first. Here's what I want to say. There's an Alexa app, and this will get you through finding some of the neat things that you can do with this. You download and install the latest version of the app from the App Store. And then you can go on and pick what apps you'd like to see on here. Just think of all the things you can do. The podcast, the news reports. You don't want to sit there and watch a half hour of the news to find out what the weather is. You just ask for the weather. I think it's going to be fun to have some audiobooks too, and watch a movie when you're relaxing on the couch or in another room or downstairs working in the garage or something like that. It's going to be so much fun. This is the neatest gift. I'm so happy to have this, and I'll be having fun learning how to use it. If you think of things like, how do I make snickerdoodles? Or give me some TV shows to watch tonight, or what's something fun to do on the weekend? All kinds of things you can ask. You can even ask to see a front door camera on here if you have one that's available to use that way. So imagine that. If you're in the bedroom and the doorbell rings, and you can check real quick and see what's going on if you have all the right components to go with that. It's really got a lot of great possibilities. Well, that's what it looks like. That's what it feels like. Hope you get a chance to try one of these. I'll put a link in the description below, and you can look and find one for yourself if you think this is something you'd like to have. Thanks for watching this unboxing video, and I'm looking forward to learning more about this and getting started. Thanks for watching.